When it comes to identifying pages that need on-page SEO improvements, you want to be efficient and focus on the factors that will truly boost your rankings. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pinpoint pages on your site that need optimization, so you can fix them fast and drive more traffic. The first step is to analyze your site's performance using an SEO audit tool. There are several options out there, but if you're looking for something simple yet powerful, I've tested them all and have a free trial link to one of the best options in the description below. You'll be able to follow along as I walk through this. Once you've run your SEO audit, the first thing you'll want to check is the page load speed. If a page takes longer than 3 seconds to load, it's a red flag. Not only do search engines prioritize fast-loading pages, but users bounce off slow pages too. Tools like Google's Page Speed Insights will give you a breakdown of what needs to be fixed. Next, make sure your pages are mobile-friendly. More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices, so Google uses mobile-first indexing. If your page isn't optimized for mobile, it's hurting your SEO. Use Google's mobile-friendly test to quickly check for any issues. Now let's talk about content. If your page isn't getting much organic traffic, it could be because the content isn't relevant enough to what people are searching for. Use keyword research tools to make sure your page includes the right keywords in the title, headers, and throughout the content. But don't stuff keywords. Keep it natural and relevant to the user's intent. Next, check your internal linking. If you have pages with weak internal linking, that's another sign your SEO needs improvement. Make sure every page has a clear path to other important pages on your site. This helps search engines crawl your site effectively and keeps users engaged. Don't forget about your meta tags. Make sure every page has a unique and compelling title tag and meta description that includes target keywords. This can improve click-through rates, which sends positive signals to search engines. Another key aspect is image optimization. Large image files can slow down page load speeds, so make sure your images are compressed and include alt text that describes the image and includes keywords where appropriate. Finally, check for duplicate content. This can happen if you have similar pages or posts on your site. Search engines don't like duplicate content, so use a tool to identify and fix these issues. You can either remove or rewrite duplicate content to avoid penalties. To quickly recap, identifying pages that need on-page SEO improvements comes down to checking page speed, mobile friendliness, content relevance, internal linking, meta tags, image optimization, and duplicate content. Once you've addressed these areas, your pages will be better optimized for both users and search engines. The key takeaway is that identifying pages that need on-page SEO improvements isn't about doing everything at once. It's about consistently checking and fixing key factors like speed, content, and mobile optimization. Make these adjustments and you'll see an improvement in your rankings and user experience. And remember, if you want to follow along with me, be sure to grab the exclusive free trial to the SEO tool I recommend in the description below. It's a great way to get started without any commitment. Thanks for watching.